Today let's talk about how to open the Mandiri online banking account. Now in order to do this, make sure you first of all download the application onto your device, and once the application has been downloaded, first of all you need to accept the terms and conditions. Now the process will slightly differ. If you are a citizen and if you have the original electronic ID card, you could use that, but however if you are a foreigner, then you need to use your residency or the work permit documents such as your golden visa if you do have one. Now in the next few steps, you just need to fill in all of the information that is asked, such as your mother's maiden name, your date of birth, your legal name that is on the ID as well, your marital status, and a few other information that is asked. So just fill in the information and then simply tap on next. Once everything is done, the last thing that you need to do is create your credentials, which is simply add in or create your username and the password. And once everything is done, you will receive a OTP. If there is a section that is needed to receive or add in the OTP, make sure you do that as well. And then you need to create your credentials, the username and the password, and then tap on continue. And once this step is complete, your online banking account of Mandiri would be created. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.